If you want to stream or record your gameplay, then maybe throw on 2 to 4 more, and make sure that you've got a GPU with a high quality hardware video encoder built in.
As for the content creators out there, what should you focus on? Well, it depends on what you create. A digital artist might not need anything special for a GPU, but would definitely benefit from a drawing tablet. A musician would want tons of RAM to load up on instrument patches and samples without slowing to a crawl. A video editor needs at least a modest GPU, a lot of RAM, and a buttload of storage, preferably fast so they can review their footage at full quality. A 3D modeler needs a reasonably fast CPU and GPU for rendering. A GPU capable of real-time ray tracing helps tremendously in prototyping and previews. An engineer might sacrifice raw horsepower for validated hardware like a Quadro GPU to ensure pain-free operation. A programmer wants a hefty CPU with a lot of threads for handling frequent compilation and a lot of RAM to go with it.